Hey everyone, Jackson with Edible Garden Growers here, and I'm going to be talking about the Anistis today. This is the newest beneficial mite on the market, and it goes after everything. It kills for fun, and they are just all around a great beneficial. I've been waiting for these guys to become available for quite some time because they can't be shipped into the US, and I've been hearing great things about them in other countries. Super excited that we finally have someone here that's breeding them, and thanks to Evergreen Grower Supply for hooking me up with a pack of these guys. They are not the cheapest, but they are aggressive and are a great preventative tool and go after what I am super excited about, aphids. The first beneficial mite that goes after aphids that is commercially available. So for all those people that grow indoors that don't want to use all the other things that they could potentially use to take out the aphids, this is, in my opinion, going to be the best approach, just due to the fact that you're not going to be having flying insects or having to deal with anything like that. So without further ado, let's get to applying these guys. So as you can see, there's only 50 in here. This pack costs somewhere around $50, so it's roughly $1 a mite, which might seem a bit expensive considering you can buy some of their cucumaris packets that have, I think, what is it, like 1,000 mites for $1. So the cost difference is exponential. But these guys are just way more aggressive. They go after a larger variety of things. They are super fast, as you can see that guy running through. Like, no other mite available is going to move anywhere near that speed. They kill for fun. They'll kill more than they actually plan on eating, which I don't think is characteristic of cucumaris and other mites. So I think the cost on this, although it might seem steep, is going to be well worth it. So I'm going to try my best to distribute this as evenly as I can throughout my garden. All right, well, hopefully you guys learned about a new bug today that you could add to your arsenal. Let me know if this is something you've already been using here in the States or elsewhere where it's been available for a longer period of time. If you're wanting to learn more about how I keep my plants safe using beneficial insects, be sure to check out the playlist that I've got linked in the description. Until next time, have a good one.